Engine misfiring seriously, but there's no single fault code on the engine. So let's diagnose further, starting from the ignition system. When you have symptoms on vehicle, but there's no related fault codes or any clue from the computer system. Therefore, one may be tempted to conclude that the ignition system is okay, but a proper inspection is required in this case. So stay with us as we troubleshoot further, get to the root of the problem and get it fixed. And see what we found. This is the problem. The spark plugs tube were filled with engine oil. This oil has leaked from the valve cover gasket and the spark plug tube seals. Engine oil inside the spark plug well will definitely contaminate the ignition coil and cause high voltage leakage. So instead of producing a strong spark at the spark plug, some of the voltage escapes through the oil contamination, and the result is the poor combustion and severe engine misfiring. This explains why the engine was shaking badly even though no misfire code has been stored. So to fix this now, we are going to carefully drain and clean all the engine oil from the spark plug wells. We are going to change the valve cover gasket and the spark plug tube seal as well. Then we carefully inspect the ignition coil and the spark plug before we reassemble them. If you find this video useful or you like to see more of this type of diagnosis and repair content, hit the subscribe button right away, and don't forget to like, comment and share this with others. In most cases, what causes serious malfunction on vehicles are minor things that should not cost much or require complex spare part replacement if carefully inspected. We have cleaned up the system. Now it's time to install new gaskets and reassemble everything back. Now let us reinstall the valve cover, the spark plugs, the ignition coils and the wires. If you are in Lagos, in Nigeria here, you can always trust us with the maintenance and repair of your cars. Or you are interested in learning automobile mechatronics, you want to know how to fix and repair these modern vehicles, you can always get in touch with us through the number on your screen or through any of our social media platforms. Everything is fully installed now, and it's time to start the car. Now the repair is completed. The car is sounding fine now, no more misfiring. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment and share this with others. See you in the next one.